Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to show battery percentage on Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Most Androids don't show the battery percentage by default. If you want to keep a percentage in the status bar, you can simply enable it under the settings. First, go to the settings. Scroll down and find the option Notifications and Status Bar. Tap on it. In this page, you will see an option Battery Indicator. Tap on it. A menu will pop up from the bottom. It is selected as Graphical. Now select Percentage. That's it. You can see the battery percentage is showing in the status bar. So that is how you can show battery percentage on Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.